Kitchen, KrabbyCrab.com here. And today, in the box, oh wait, I can't do this, I gotta stop and start over, okay. It's Trader Joe's protein patties. These are like Impossible Burgers, but from Trader Joe's. I wanted to try one, so I've got my cast iron skillet preheating here. Oiled it a little bit. Let's take it out of the box. Oh, it's already open. If it was actually like this, I wouldn't eat it, but I opened it before. So here we go. Let's put it on there. Got a little sizzle happening. All right, while this is starting to cook up a little, let me get out my cheese, prepare my bun. Here we go. All right, so we're a couple minutes in here. The smoke is definitely rising. You can hear the sizzle. You know, it doesn't look like this is being cooked through yet. I don't know. I'm just following the directions. Stovetop, preheat, pan over medium heat, cook patty for 3 or 4 minutes, flip and cook. So, you know, I'm on medium high. I can turn up a little. These burners, it's pretty good stovetop, and those burners tend to run a little hotter than some of the directions. This has been 2+ minutes, and I'm going to flip it soon. So we'll check back. All right, I'm going to give it a flip. Peeled right off. So my experience, I really want to press it, but I'm not going to. My experience with these protein burgers is that they do definitely crust right up, you know, and so you got to be careful about, you don't want to burn it, or I don't want to burn it, you do, less smoke content happening. Let's say quick look at the ingredients. On the one hand, so it's mostly pea protein. On the one hand, I'm excited that there's beets in there. On the other hand, I don't know what methylcellulose is. Your nutritional content, you know, a lot of protein, good amount of calories, decent amount of fat there, but there's no trans fat, no cholesterol, which is great. You know, sodium is about on what you'd expect for a burger, but again, a lot of fiber, a lot of protein, and no cholesterol. All right, so we're definitely past the 3 to 4 minutes on each side mark. We're not cooked through. A lot of smoke happening. I'm gonna get the thermometer. I'm going with a little mini pretzel bun here because I'm interested in the protein, not the bread, but I do want, you know, the full sandwich experience. So let's see what we got here. Oh, we're above 170. All right. Well, man, it's funny because it doesn't like look cooked. Oh no! Now if I go middle, yeah, we're not there yet. I think I was poking. All right, I've moved to, I put a lid on it to try to get the cooking a little more, get it cooked through, and also melt the cheese faster because I don't want the bottom to burn anymore than it probably already is. It may have gotten cut off. I did the thermometer, and it wasn't quite to 165 yet. So I don't know about those directions. Out there, if you're a professional protein burger cooker and you have tips, drop a comment. See what we're doing. Ooh, the cheese is melted. You know, it's starting to look a little sad. I'm going to take it off. I'll let it cool for a minute so I don't get burned on pea protein. I'm going to see how it is. Alright, here's my finished product. My Trader Joe's protein burger. Got a few chips on the side there. So I've got some ketchup, some spicy brown mustard, just kind of regular deli brown mustard, a little bit of Colby Jack. You know, I could have gone cheddar, but the Colby Jack was easily available. Let's try it. It's alright. You know, you see the inside, it's pretty rare on the inside. Oh boy. Mukbang. It's not bad. I mean, it tastes like the other protein burgers I've had at home. I haven't had an Impossible at home. I had a Beyond. They all kind of taste the same. Trader Joe's is cheaper. So we'll see if my tummy hurts later. It's kind of sliding out of the bun here. Getting that back. You know, I feel like I'm having a burger experience with a different taste.